Come test drive the 2013 Fusion. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.6-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic parking brake, power mirrors, traction control system, fog lights. Inside you'll find leather upholstery, heated seats, Bluetooth, audio radio, touchscreen display, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, dual power seats, cruise control, child safety locks, reclining seats. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.